together. English class 5. So this chapter is about, this is also about teamwork. In previous poem we have learned about the teamwork, that what kind of benefit we get if we work in a team. Okay, so this chapter is quite similar to that. Here in that जो birds है, the geese, okay, they also work to make themselves safe. They also work together in a team. Okay, so how they why they were doing and how they were doing, we all going to learn in this story. The story name is Flying Together. Okay, so in that, first we will learn the new words before we start the chapter, so it will make the concept easy. Okay, first is geese. So geese is a plural form of goose, that you know, and a large web-footed bird. Okay, the bird which having a large web-footed. Okay, you can see the picture here. So it is called geese. Next is creeper. Creeper is kind of plant which need support to grow. Okay, जो creeper है, it's kind of plant जो होता है, जो उसको चाहिए सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है टू ग्रो. ओके, इट नीड सपोर्ट टू ग्रो. यूजुअली इट नीड wall or any wall or any tree. Okay, using any wall, with the support of any wall and tree, it grows. Next, okay, so winding, that means go in a circular or a spiral course. That means generally जो चीज है ना which go in a circular like a spiral course like this, it is called winding. Muttered, like spoken in a low tone. Spoken in a low tone. Generally जो कोई चीज होता है, जैसे हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, I know that you know everything, ऐसे हम जैसा low voice में बोलते हैं ना, like, तो that is called a mutter. Okay, and flap, that means move wings up and down. Flapping like this, flap. Okay, move your wings up and down. It is called flap. Okay, so this is a word that comes in this chapter. Okay, so let's just begin the story. Okay, what are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. Okay, this kind of things always our family members and our teachers ask to do on time. Why this thing? Why should we do our work on time? Okay, this will we learn in this chapter. ये जो है कि why we should work on time, हमें समय पर ही अपना वर्क क्यों कर लेना चाहिए, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो we will learn in this story. Okay, so let's start the story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like a strong arms. Okay, deep in a forest. Okay, we can say that बहुत ही घने जंगल में there are one tree जो बहुत ही tall था. Okay, there is one tree which is very tall, and this tree have very लीफी ब्रांचेस. उसकी जो ब्रांचेस है वो बहुत ही लीफी, उसमें बहुत सारे लीव्स है, और उसकी ब्रांचेस इज स्प्रेड लाइक अ बिग आर्म. उसके जो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग आर्म्स होते हैं, इस तरह से पूरा जो ट्री है इस तरह से फैला हुआ था. ठीक है, दिस ट्री वॉज द होम ऑफ फ्लॉक ऑफ वाइल्ड गीज. geese, birds के जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं उसको जनरली हम फ्लॉक कहते हैं. सो there's a flock of geese. वो ओके, जो एक ग्रुप यानी कि फ्लॉक ऑफ geese है, they are living in that tall and a leafy branches वाला जो ट्री है उसमें वो लोग रहते थे. ओके, they felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Okay, तो ये जो flock of geese है, they are living in that tall and a wide tree. Okay, why they are living in there? Because they feel safe there. वो लोग वहाँ पे safe feel करते थे. That's why they were living there. Okay, in that flock of geese, there were one old and a wise geese. Old and a wise geese. So this tree was a home of flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of them was a wise old bird. Okay, जो ये flock of geese है which they are living in that tree, उसमें से एक wise geese था which is smart था और old था. Okay, it is elder than all the geese. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. Okay, in that tree in which they were living, तो जो ये जो wise old geese था, उसने नोटिस किया कि there is a one small creeper at the foot of the tree, यानी कि जो ट्री के पास नीचे एक क्रीपर का प्लांट है. He spoke to the other birds about it. तो उसने क्या किया? He spoke about it to the other birds. Okay, उसके जो other birds थे, उसके जो they are living in a group, उसमें जो other birds थे, उसके साथ उसने ये शेयर किया. Okay, whatever उसने जो ये देखा कि there is one creeper at the foot of the tree, he shared this thing to their friends. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. उसने क्या बोला? उसने सभी जो दूसरे अदर बर्ड्स थे, ओके, उसको जो ये ओल्ड वाइज गीज है, उसने अदर बर्ड्स को बोला कि डू यू सी दैट क्रीपर? आपने वो क्रीपर देखा? ही सेड टू देम, लेट अस डिस्ट्रॉय इट. ओके, लेट अस डिस्ट्रॉय इट. ही सेड दैट लेट अस जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉय, बिकॉज उसके माइंड में कुछ आया, बट देयर इज समथिंग thing that comes in their mind. That's why he think about it that we should destroy that creeper. Right? So other birds थे, they was like, why must we destroy it? Okay, the other birds were like, why we must destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. और वो भी सरप्राइजली होके सभी बोले कि why हमें क्रीपर को क्यों कट करना चाहिए? Why we should cut this? Surprisingly, it is so small. What harm can it do? Okay, other bird was like, it is so small. Okay, how it could harm us? वो हमें जो harm कैसे कर सकता है? So my friends, replied the wise old bird. My friends, that little creeper will soon grow. यानी कि उसने बोला कि जो लिटिल सा क्रीपर है, स्लोली वो ग्रो हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड एज इट क्रीप्स अप दिस ट्री, ओके, एज क्रीपर नीड सपोर्ट लाइक ट्रीज और वॉल टू ग्रो, जैसे ही वो ग्रो होगा, द वे इट्स ग्रो, स्लोली इट क्रीप अप द ट्री. It will become thick and strong. Then it will become thick and strong. जैसे it creep up the tree, it started growing and become stronger and stronger. Okay, वो क्या होता जाएगा? Thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Okay, सबने क्या बोला कि what harm can creepers do us? तो सभी जो उसके अदर गेस थे, they were not understanding कि what the old bird जो है वो trying to say. Okay, उसने क्या बोला? तो उसमें क्या है? What of that? उसमें क्या है? और एक क्रीपर जो है, एक स्मॉल सा क्रीपर, वो हमें कैसे हार्म कर सकता है? ओके, उसके सभी जो ग्रुप ऑफ जो बर्ड्स थे, उसके मन में यही चला था कि ये क्रीपर हमें क्या हार्म करेगा. राइट? सो डोंट यू सी replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible. With the help of that creeper, it is possible for someone to climb this tree. To climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. A hunter can come up and kill us all. उसने क्या बोला? बट कि आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, डोंट यू सी, आपको दिख नहीं रहा कि जैसे ही क्रीपर है इट विल स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग, व्हेन जब वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगेगा तो वो धीरे धीरे जो ये ट्री है उसको क्लाइंब कर लेगा. ओके, देन इट इज इजीली पॉसिबल टू एनीवन टू क्लाइंब अप द ट्री. ओके, इट इज easy for anyone to climb up the tree easily with the help of this creeper, because when the creepers जैसे ही वो creeper grow हो जाएगा it will become thick and strong, तो कोई भी easily ये tree को climb up कर सकेगा with the help of this creeper. Okay, a hunter can come up and kill us all. Okay, one of these could be a hunter also, right? हंटर जो है वो भी आ सकता है, दे कैन किल अस ऑल. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट अ ओल्ड बर्ड ट्राई टू से विद द अदर बर्ड्स. वेल देयर इज नो हरी. वेल देयर इज नो हरी, दे रिप्लाइड. उन सब ने क्या रिप्लाई किया इन रिटर्न? वेल देयर इज नो हरी. ओके, द क्रीपर इज वेरी स्मॉल. दिस क्रीपर इज वेरी स्मॉल. It would be a pity to destroy it now. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Okay, they were all like कि it was just too hurry to cut it now because it is too little. It is what a pity to cut it now. क्योंकि उन लोगों को क्या हो रहा है कि वो बहुत ही छोटा है क्रीपर, अभी उसको कट करके क्या फायदा, अभी उसको कट करना इट्स लाइक क्रूल. Okay, they were all thinking like that. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird advised. जो old bird है it advised like कि destroy it. जो अभी ही उसको destroy कर दो, still it young. जो अभी वो young है तब ही उसे destroy कर देना चाहिए. This advice given by old bird to other birds. Now it is tender, you can cut it easily. Now it is tender, you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard. Later it will become hard. You will not be able to cut it. You will not be able to cut it. Okay, what all will try to say to the other जो birds है उसको कि अभी this creeper is young and tender. उसको now it's easy to cut it, but once it become grown and it becomes stronger, it is hard. It is just not possible or just hard to cut. Okay, this advice is given by all bird to the other birds. कि अभी ही जो ये छोटा है तो उसको कट करना इजी होगा हमारे लिए, लेकिन जब ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा देन इट बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा और उसको फिर कट करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Okay, we'll see. The other birds were like we'll see, देखेंगे. Okay, इस तरह से उसने वो बात को क्या कर दिया, जान दिया. Answered the birds, but they did not destroy the creeper. और इस तरह से उसने overlooked the things and creepers जो था वो small baby creepers उसको कट किया नहीं. They didn't cut it. They forgot the wise old bird's advice, and slowly after that they forgot the advice of the wise bird. उसने वो जो wise bird था उसकी advice को overlook किया. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. It began winding the way up the tree. जैसे ही वो जो creeper grew हुआ, ओके, इट स्टार्टेड विंडिंग, यानी कि धीरे धीरे सर्कुलर में इस तरह से ट्री को विंडिंग, मतलब कि सर्कुलर में ट्री को सर्कुलर में ग्रो होने लगा.